Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Sakshi and today is a haul video. I'm super excited because it's my first haul video plus it's a makeup haul video, right? So I have bought a lot of things from Nykaa which came after I think 2.5 or 3 months like after the lockdown, and yeah, I waited for them from really long and I'm really happy that they're here, and also I was eager to share each and everything with you like so much. So yeah, it's here and let's get started. So starting with the first product, it's going to be a skincare product. I'm talking about a moisturizer. It's a Pond's Super Light Moisturizer Gel. This cream is amazing. I saw a lot of reviews on this one and I was really eager to buy this. This was stock out for so long, but now it is in stock. I think it retails for 250 like after discount, and this particular cream is amazing. Like, it's not like any other Pond's cream. This one is like a gel based thing, so you know the texture is so good that मुझे और मेरी मॉम को तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है and I'm swearing by this. Moving on to the second thing, so I'm going to start with the base makeup. I'm talking about my foundation. So up till now I was using Maybelline foundation. I am in shade 220 and that is really amazing. The texture is really good, stays for good 3 to 4 hours. It gives a good finish, but I was looking for something else as well. So I've heard a lot about Milani, especially from Malvika Satlani. If you watch her page, she talks about it all the way. And I am in the shade medium beige 04. So this one, I'm wearing this right now, and trust me guys, the results are quite amazing. It looks so good on camera. The coverage is to die for. I mean, I have just tried, so to be really honest, I've just tried Maybelline Fit Me till now. In comparison to that one, I'm in love with this one. So the price I've paid for this, like, it's justifiable for the job it does. So I'm really happy. So in case you have a little higher budget than the Fit Me one, you can literally go for this one and you're gonna love it. Talking about the next one, I have mascara right here. This is a L'Oreal Paris, a voluminous lash paradise mascara. It's waterproof and it's in the color, I think, blackest black. I have really long lashes, so I really want to invest in good mascara. It keeps my lashes really separated and rather than false lashes and stuff like that. So in that case, I was looking for Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but it was way over my budget. Plus I was thinking that yeah, I can still go for it buying a mini version of the actual bottle. After that, I was reading a lot about that particular mascara. I came to know that this one is a complete dupe of that particular one, and it is quite cheaper than the actual price of Too Faced mascara. Guys, I am shook with this one. Like, the wand it has, if you want to see closely, the wand it has is amazing. The color payoff, the amount of time it stays is it's good. Also, जो फ्लेकी हो जाता है कभी कभी मस्कारा, वो ये नहीं होता है, and till now I'm loving it. Talking about another eye product, I have an eye pencil right here. This is a white kohl from the company Wet n Wild. This is super creamy and I have used in my one of the looks on my waterline, and I felt that this is a complete worth the money. This one's around 130 rupees and I feel that this is super creamy and this is a really good kohl if you want to invest in a white one. So I really like it, and yes. So now it comes with my favorite product which I'm wearing right now. It's, yes, my eyeshadow. So the palette is from NYX. It's called Off Tropic Hasta La Vista palette. So if I talk about the shades right here, I've got good range of shades. I mean, I got everything. Talking about this blue, this is a quite shimmery shade, but I think this is a quite creamy shimmery shade like the blue one. Also the gold one is shimmery and creamy. Other than that, all other shades are really matte. The color payoff is amazing. So yeah, talking about the price of this particular palette, I got it for 1500 rupees. But for the amount of color it offers, also the payoff, I think this is a good investment and it's gonna help me in so many ways. Also, if you want to see how I created this particular look, I have my Instagram ID somewhere right here on the screen. Also, I have linked it down below. You can just check the look and you can create of your own. So the next thing is, product I never thought that I'll buy it because I was not able to understand the purpose of it until unless I really bought it. So it is a makeup fixer, guys. This is a makeup fixer from the company Faces Canada, and it's called Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. You just spray it all over your face. You need to just dry it out without touching your face, and once you have done it, it stays for minimum 8 to 9 hours. I'm not kidding. So whatever makeup fixer you are thinking to buy, just buy it because it really matters. This and one another thing I got in 1+1 offer, so that ways I got one of the product really. I thought that it is a good time to invest in a makeup fixer because I was getting it for a half of the price. So yes. Talking about the next thing, experimented buying on a lash fixer. Yes, I've told that I would not try. I would not really invest in falsies, but I thought that let's give it a try because a lot of looks really, demand for false lashes लगती हैं, तो वो look अलग ही दिखने लग जाता है. So I thought that let's buy it because yeah, why not? Also सिर्फ glue ही buy किया, अभी तक lashes buy नहीं किए हैं because I was finding it really difficult to understand which one to buy because there are so many. So I'll soon figure it out and buy it. Until then I got a good, I got some discount on this, so that is why I just bought this one. So just to have in that case. A lot of beauty bloggers faced a lot of face stickies and glitters with the help of this particular lash fixer. So that is one of the also reason that I bought it, that if I'm not going to buy falsies anyhow, this can be used in multiple way. So yes. Talking about a last thing before the lip products, it's going to be a hair serum. So this is from the company The Beauty Co. So this one was popping up again and again on my screen. So I have never used any fancy serum. I just used the L'Oreal one, the Streaks का जो आता है वो, और Lebon. बस ये तीन ही use किए हैं and I'm happy with that only. But this one had a freebie as well. So I'm going to show you the freebie. The freebie is this glow mask. It's again from the same company, and it's a peel-off mask. It has activated charcoal and glitters in it. It's got argan oil and a lot of other things. So I thought that let's try this one. I bought this one. Finally moving towards the lip products. The lip products, I have quite a few lipsticks which I ordered this time. Why in a go? Because some of them are for my mom, some of them are for me. Also there were quite a few shades which जो मेरे पास थे ही नहीं. So talking about the first one is from a Maybelline company, from the range Color Sensational. The shade is 02 Ashy Red, and this is a really gorgeous shade. This one is a matte lipstick. Once you apply it, it completely mattifies and stays for really long. This particular shade has orangey fiery red color, which is something जो मेरे पास नहीं था. Also it looks super hot when you wear it. So yes, this shade is amazing that ways. Talking about the second, it's a neutral color. It's a nude lipstick from the company Inside, and the shade is called 82 Nude Coffee. And I bought it on the recommendation of Madhur Sharma because it was in her video under 100 makeup products. So yes, it's quite cheap, and I thought let's just try. Let's just buy a experimental shade which goes with my look. This does a really good job. It doesn't stay for that long. I mean, stays for an hour maybe, but once you apply it, it gives really good texture. It's a creamy based lipstick, so I really like it. And yeah, that's it. Moving on to the third one, I have right here I have a lipstick from Color Bar. It's in the shade 90. Okay. It's in the shade 90 Crazy Boat. It's a orangey light shade, this shade, and I bought this shade with a lot of वो हम सोचते कि हम इस shade को बहुत लगाएंगे and everything, but once it came, the color is so light, the color is so light that once I apply it, it really flushes out my skin tone and doesn't look nice at all. So how I use this particular lipstick is, you must be seeing that uska head kaisa ho gaya hai. So how I use this particular lipstick is by just tapping it on my cheeks and using it as a blush so that I don't waste. Next is really affordable lipstick which is from the company L18. It's again under rupees 100 and the shade is called W16. Also it's called Magenta Magic. Yes, it's a magenta color and that's all. It looks really pretty on lips. You know that purpley color which gives ये वो वाला color है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. The next one is from the company Biotic. It's from their natural makeup range. The shade is called Bombshell and I like the shade really a lot. The shade, when it comes on my lips, it looks like, you know, that darker fluorescent which really pops out and looks really nice. Only thing I don't like about this lipstick is the way it smells. Talking about my last lipstick, it is from the Faces Canada company. The range is called Ultimate Pro. The shade is Obsessed. The shade is quite amazing. It comes in a pen form and you can just twist it and open the lipstick. Just like the Maybelline one, this is a matte lipstick. Once you apply it, it stays for really long and it completely mattifies. The color doesn't go anywhere. So this one is a really good buy. So I got this on a recommendation of my friend Bhavika Khatri. So yes, I'm really happy. Thank you, Bhavika, if you're watching this video. So guys, check out her channel and subscribe her as well. So guys, that's it for this particular haul and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you found something useful from this haul or you just enjoyed that way as itself. Don't forget to like, share my video. Also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.